What does your data say about you? Our CPN public records submission service includes 24-hour turnaround time, 100-plus premium public records database submissions, good for when requested by issuers when doing background checks and new social scoring algorithms, and Excel spreadsheets of all your new accounts' access information, approved pre-qualified offers starting at $1,500 value, file support regardless if you purchased a file from us or not, increased confidence with your credit privacy file. As we can see, the future of CPN public records data management is advancing. You want your data to be deeply indexed into the public databases of the nation you are inhabiting. When people who know of you, credit issuers, loan officers, and potentially the people you work with want to check you out, there are so many ways they can access a search channel to collect consumer data posted about you. As we know in America, time is money. Who has time to sit around for 3, 6 to 8 hours filling out forms on the weekend to have public digital national data sets validated and indexed for a new working title, trade name, number, commercial exchange file? This is where we come in. We validate and verify all your public records and provide you the Excel spreadsheets with all the access data you need to manage all your new accounts and CPN public record submission data. You do not need to do anything with these accounts unless you are interested in them. Once we complete the work for you, the job of file management, advanced tri-merging for public records is done. This service is good if you bought a CPN file somewhere else, but they did between 3 to 10 public record submissions only. Less than a dozen public records is the traditional CPN credit file industry, low standard. As you can see, we make sure you are heavily indexed for advanced social algorithm scoring. We can provide you a single family residence address to forward mail from to wherever you would like to collect it, without conflicting with any other credit file with the same name. See our FAQs page for details. Want to know more valuable insight? See our other amazing industry resources and guides on our website, legalnewcreditfile.com, under the support menu.